the top 9 foods to help you say goodbye to swelling in your joints forever. Welcome back, everyone. Are you tired of feeling the pain and discomfort of joint swelling? In today's video, we will explore 9 incredible foods recommended by doctors that can help you say goodbye to joint swelling forever. These foods are not only delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet, but also backed by scientific evidence for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to reduce swelling in your joints. Say goodbye to pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Say hello to a healthier, happier you. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Citrus fruits, nature's vitamin C. Powerhouses. Begin your day with a burst of sunshine and a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, or reach for a refreshing grapefruit smoothie. Citrus fruits are not only delicious and high in vitamin C, they are also excellent sources of flavonoids. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, these plant compounds can help reduce joint swelling by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that consuming a meal of high vitamin C fruits and vegetables can lead to a 40% reduction in knee swelling. Furthermore, a meta-analysis published in Clinical Rheumatology demonstrated that a daily intake of 1 gram of vitamin C significantly reduced morning stiffness and pain in people with osteoarthritis. So make citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit a regular part of your diet and enjoy the benefits of reduced joint swelling. Number 2. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens. Load up on leafy greens. Incorporate spinach, kale, and collard greens into salads, smoothies, or side dishes. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene that help fight inflammation. A study published in the Annals of Epidemiology found that people who consumed more green leafy vegetables had a lower risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. Another study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that eating a diet rich in vegetables, including green leafy ones, can improve symptoms of osteoarthritis. Additionally, these greens are also good sources of calcium, which can strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 3. Fatty fish, omega-3, rich salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Go fishing for health benefits by adding fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel to your diet. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that increasing omega-3 intake through supplements led to a significant reduction in pain and disability in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Moreover, a meta-analysis in Clinical Rheumatology showed that supplementing with omega-3s was effective in improving morning stiffness and joint swelling in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. To reap the benefits, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. 4. Walnuts. Brain and joint-supporting superfood. Don't overlook walnuts, an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. A study in the Journal of Nutrition reported that consuming a meal containing walnuts can decrease inflammation markers in overweight adults. Walnuts may also help reduce joint swelling due to their anti-inflammatory properties. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that walnut consumption could improve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Additionally, walnuts are high in melatonin, which can promote better sleep and reduce oxidative stress, contributing to overall joint health. Number 5. Green tea. A soothing sip for your joints. More than just a tasty beverage, green tea is a true elixir for your joints. Loaded with polyphenols, it helps combat inflammation and alleviate joint pain. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that consuming green tea could reduce the severity of osteoarthritis symptoms. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that green tea could alleviate rheumatoid arthritis symptoms by suppressing inflammatory cytokines. For optimal results, it is recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. Number 6. Turmeric. Golden spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Add a golden glow to your meals and a punch of flavor with turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. A study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology showed that curcumin supplementation led to significant improvements in pain and functional tests in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. Moreover, a meta-analysis in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition demonstrated that curcumin could effectively reduce knee pain and disability in people with osteoarthritis. To enjoy the benefits, incorporate turmeric into curries, stir-fries, and soups, or consume it in supplement form. 7. Pineapple, the juicy marvel with bromelain for pain relief. Savor the sweet juiciness of pineapple while benefiting from its natural pain relievers. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that bromelain supplementation could relieve pain and improve physical function in individuals with osteoarthritis. Moreover, a meta-analysis in clinical rheumatology demonstrated that bromelain was effective in improving morning stiffness and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Enjoying pineapple regularly can provide a delicious and natural way to support joint health. 8. Ginger, a zesty root for reducing inflammation. Let the zesty goodness of ginger add a kick to your dishes and relief to your joints. This versatile root boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties thanks to compounds like gingerol. A study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that ginger powder supplementation reduced inflammation markers in healthy individuals. Additionally, a meta-analysis in clinical rheumatology showed that ginger extracts could alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis. Incorporate ginger into stir-fries, teas, or salads and relish its anti-inflammatory benefits. 9. Apple cider vinegar, a tangy drink for joint health. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to your daily routine for a tangy boost to your joint health. This unfiltered vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition reported that consuming apple cider vinegar led to a decrease in inflammatory markers in overweight adults. Additionally, a meta-analysis in clinical rheumatology demonstrated that apple cider vinegar was effective in reducing morning stiffness and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. You can enjoy its benefits by drinking diluted apple cider vinegar or incorporating it into salad dressings. Embrace a holistic approach to recovery. While these foods can work wonders for your joints, it's essential to complement them with a holistic approach to recovery. Stay active with low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling to keep your joints moving and reduce stiffness. Maintain a healthy weight, as excess weight can exacerbate joint pain and swelling. And don't forget the power of rest. Allow your body time to heal and recover. Listen to your body's cues and take breaks when needed. Remember, the journey to better joint health is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle and stick with them over time. It may take a few weeks or even months to see significant improvements, but the results will be worth it. Your joints will feel healthier, stronger, and more flexible, allowing you to move through life with ease and comfort. Say goodbye to pain, stiffness, and inflammation and embrace a future filled with vitality, energy, and an unwavering spirit. Thank you for watching. See you next time.